The San Luis Obispo County Public Health Department says social gatherings like birthday parties and other celebrations are to blame for recent COVID-19 cases. Public health officials now asking people to avoid gatherings, but some are concerned with the business and mental health impacts of staying apart. KSBY's Melissa Newman joins us now live in San Luis Obispo with more on this story. Melissa?
Megan, the pandemic has impacted just about everything in our lives and changed our routines, leaving us longing for that closeness with friends and family we've been missing for months. But tonight, the county health department is warning that can come at a cost. Several months into the COVID-19 pandemic, and pandemic fatigue is setting in for many people.
My daughter's home from college. She graduated in May from University of Puget Sound, and that was kind of anticlimactic because we couldn't have a graduation.
Some health experts say uncertainty and the lack of human interaction is impacting people's mental health.
We're very resilient as human beings, and we know that if it's a time-limited sort of thing that we have to endure, we can pretty much get through that. This doesn't seem like there's an end in sight for us. And so we're tending to maybe shoot the odds, I guess. We're willing to risk the odds because we feel frustrated.
San Luis Obispo County health officials say a rise of COVID-19 cases correlates with a rise of social gatherings, specifically when people hang out with others they don't live with. The county is now asking people to avoid these parties and events, but businesses like Central Coast Party Helpers say they're doing their best to keep guests safe.
We've put in place sanitation valets, where we have a hand washing station, where we greet the guests as they arrive. They wash their hands. We offer them a beverage on a tray where they can just take the beverage.
Faulkner says older guests can watch event live streams at home or sit at their own tables.
We assign a wait staff to take care of just them, and sometimes the bridal party as well. So they're not interacting with too many people and everybody feels safe.
For those planning on staying home, experts say it's important to keep tabs on how you're feeling.
If you feel something that feels odd or different or scared or just angry, reach out. Definitely call someone, call our agency, Family Service Agency. Call us and we'll help you find someone else.
Now, the therapist you just heard from recommends another way to get through this time is to volunteer and help others, as many are still out of work and still in need. Reporting live in San Luis Obispo, Melissa Newman, KSBY News.
Now to the latest. San Luis Obispo County is reporting 144 new cases of COVID-19. These numbers include new totals from the weekend and today. That brings the county's total to 1,644 cases. 15 people are hospitalized, including 4 in the ICU. Another 411 people are recovering at home, and 1,209 have recovered. Local health officials say a 9th San Luis Obispo County resident has died due to COVID-19 this weekend. A second San Luis Obispo County Sheriff's Patrol deputy is tested positive. Now, 5 sheriff's deputies in total have tested positive for COVID-19. 4 are recovering at home and 1 has returned to work. In Santa Barbara County, 77 new cases of COVID-19 reported today, bringing the county's total to 5,836. An additional 142 cases were added to the case count on Saturday and 41 cases added Sunday. As of the 308 active cases in the community, 79 are hospitalized, including 24 people in the ICU. Health officials say 5,496 people have recovered, including 1,008 inmates at the federal prison in Lompoc. Santa Barbara County has had 32 deaths attributed to COVID-19.